You're just not want anyone playing with her toy. Is it yours? I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry. Good girl. Oh, well, thank you. Can I have it? Go get it. Riley's gonna fight her for it. Nope. Lovey will though. Nope. She won. Good job, Mama. Go high. Go high. Riley always wants love.